So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hello, it's Friday. Hold on. Jesus Christ. I don't know. Anyway, well, if I can say any words, today will be full body. Let me take a sip of coffee. Hold on.
And there is old scratch to my right.
You know, it's cool. It's cool. So I'm gonna give you a second to look. Alright, am I gonna sneeze 85 more times? Alright, finally Friday. Ooh, I gotta check my bank account. Tomorrow is insane beach day. Got some other tricks up my sleeve that I might do. I'm just happy it's Friday, and yeah. I got I bought a rug, and it's like so soft. I need to get a few things, like I need more pieces of artwork, but my favorite artist, I bought all his stuff. So now I'm kind of at a loss. Just keep going.
It seems like terms, but for my part at least, I'm having a little fun with it.
Y'all, it's clearly allergy season. I sound congested as fuck, but my determination to read outside because the weather is nice got me all fucked up. Like, I know y'all can hear how congested I sound. Like, read outside. Woo! Lord child, bless me.
That's a nice sneeze.
Today's not a good day. Oh my god. I can't tell if I'm gonna dry heat or sneeze. My nose is burning like crazy. It's like my eyes water. Oh my god. Where'd my hair tie go? I don't think I'm done yet. Maybe I am. Ah! Look up, look up, look up. Oh my god. This is not good. If I throw up right now, I lose all my medication. Keep it down, keep it down, keep it down. Fuck me. This isn't good. This is not good. This is not good. Fuck my wife. Today's gonna suck real bad. This is not good.
Sorry, I sneezed a little there.
Has anyone who has allergies talked about this? Like, I'm just going through the summer and fall, blowing my nose, having a scratchy throat like I normally do because for some reason my body thinks pollen is a mistake. But everyone around you is like, do I have the Delta variant? And sometimes in my brain I'm like, do I have the Delta variant? And I don't, because as soon as I take my allergy medication I feel great. As soon as I use my inhaler I feel better. I don't know. You're welcome.
Yeah. First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.